Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a comparison video and I'm going to be comparing two conditioning masks from Aunt Jackie's. You're going to see me apply each one on either side of my hair. You'll see the application as well as the results, and we're going to see which one of these two are better. But before we get into this video, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. On this side of my hair, I use the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Flaxseed recipe. This is the Fix My Hair Intensive Repair Conditioning Mask, and this is for natural curls, coils as well as waves, and it has no sulfates, it has no parabens, no mineral oil as well as no petroleum. This mask is enriched with flaxseed. It contains mango butter, shea butter, avocado and coconut oil for dry, damaged hair and protective styling. So you might be asking, should I be using this mask? And on the packaging it tells us that this will treat brittle, damaged hair to the benefits of Aunt Jackie's inner and outer hair deep repair recipe. It's with omega fatty acids, antioxidants and vitamins. This rinse out formula helps strengthen and restore vibrancy. Now this is a mask that you only leave on for 5 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. Let me tell you a little bit more about the application. For me, this was very pasty. It was like a thick paste that sat on my hair a little bit. It did absorb into my hair, did not promote detangling. I know it's not a leave-in conditioner, so slip isn't something that I look for in any of these, but it didn't promote detangling. It just sat on my hair a lot. What I did like is this is a quick 5-minute application. So now let's move on to the other side. On this side of my hair, I use the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils. This is their Grapeseed style and shine recipes. It's called Rescue Thirst Quenching Recovery Conditioner. It's also free from sulfates, parabens, mineral oil, Petrolatum as well as silicones, and this is enriched with avocado as well as Tamanu oils. So what does this do? It resuscitates chronically dry, damaged or lifeless hair with Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed oil remedy. It has an enhanced and nourishing fusion of wheat protein, shea butter, avocado and Tamanu oils. This recovery treatment deep conditions and instantly leaves hair feeling softer, smoother and mega hydrated, and it helps seal in moisture. The application of this was very nice. It melted in the hair, it promoted detangling. I love the texture of it. When it comes to choosing either of these two, I like the application of this one a lot better. Now let's talk about rinsing them out. I found that the grapeseed side took a lot longer to rinse out, but my hair felt soft. It was very hydrated, but I really had to rinse this side out a lot. When it came to the flaxseed side, it rinsed out a lot easier, but my hair didn't feel as soft as the grapeseed side. And because I did it on either side of my hair, I could literally feel it as I was making sure that the product really does get out of my hair. So even from the stage of rinsing it out, the grapeseed side felt a lot more hydrated and soft. Guys, you can see my hair as I take it out of the turban cloth, and for me personally, I do prefer the grapeseed side. It is the Rescue Thirst Quenching Recovery Conditioner. Both of them, you leave them on for about 5 minutes. They don't take long. If you want a little bit of a better treatment, you can add heat to both of them, but for me, this is the side that I prefer. You can look at the results and decide which one you like. I thought, let me try both of these out from Aunt Jackie's and see which one I personally prefer. I will repurchase this one. I won't repurchase this one. It isn't bad at all, but when it comes to comparing and you can actually get to apply and see the difference on either side of my hair, this is the one that I actually prefer. You guys know how much I love comparison videos. It really gives me a chance to use products side by side and see how they work in that moment. And I hope you enjoyed this video on using these two from Aunt Jackie's. If you've tried either one, let me know in the comments. If you like this one, let me know as well. I'm not saying that any of them are bad. Personally, the Curl Factory just prefers the Grapeseed line. It did a much better job on this side of my hair. Thanks again, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again in another video. Take care.